Troy is going to court after an aerial assessment of the city's properties. It seems several dozen homes long considered to lie outside city limits may actually belong on Troy tax rolls. Homeowners are worried about what this could mean for their property values and taxes, and as I found out today, they're expecting a fight.
We got to walk out. It's going to be
Ray OBrien has been a town of Brunswick taxpayer for decades. He, along with dozens of other area homeowners, recently received a letter from Troy announcing that part of his property is located in the city. And Ray knows what that means.
They're going to attempt to tax us.
Troy Mayor Lou Rosamilia doesn't dispute that. They're not taxing them yet, though.
This is the first time the assessment had been done since 1973.
Rosamilia says the assessment included aerial photography, which discovered more than 60 properties previously thought to be located just outside city limits in Brunswick, Schaghticoke, and North Greenbush, as actually being within Troy lines.
We're not trying to disrupt their household or cause any problems for them, but we're just trying to make sure that we do what's right for the city itself.
But disrupt them they could. Taxes paid by the affected homeowners would no doubt go up. People like Ray, who says about a third of his property is apparently in Troy, are ready to fight.
I'm confident that the town of Brunswick will put up a good legal response to this. I don't expect to be paying any additional taxes, Troy or anybody else.
Attorney Andy Gilchrist, who represents Brunswick, the municipality with most of those 60-plus properties, did not return our call. The town supervisor also declined to comment.
We don't want to upset the apple cart.
Maybe not, but Rosamilia says if the courts agree that the properties are in Troy and taxable, homeowners could start getting billed as early as next year, after the city assesses property values. Rosamilia says any other option would be unfair to current city residents.
Turning it around a little bit, how do I say to city residents that no, we're not going to include those people, so therefore you have to pick up that part of the tax also.
Some property owners I spoke to today said this feels like a money grab by Troy, questioning why else the city would suddenly, after so much time, try to add them to the Troy tax rolls. Some questioned how it might impact students and whether it could force them to change schools. Well, the mayor's office tells me no, citing that school boundaries are a different animal altogether.